is Kessler from Wall Street High School, and this section is on the distributive property. So first what I want to talk to you about is, what is the distributive property? Now this is a mathematical way of doing it, so in mathematical terms. So if you have A and then in parentheses times the quantity of B plus C, what you want to do is take the A and distribute it to both your B and C, which means that you'll be left with AB plus AC. I also like to think about it as drawing rainbows. So when I take my A, I want to draw my rainbows to both the B and the C, and then that's how I get AB plus AC. Now it's going to be a lot more simpler when you are going to be working with numbers. So let me give you an example with numbers. So in example 1, we have 2 times, in parentheses, the quantity of 4 minus 8x. What you want to do with this 2 is draw your rainbows and distribute that 2 to both the 4 and the negative 8x. So 2 times 4 will give me 8. Then 2 times negative 8x will give me a negative 16x. And that's my answer because I'm simplifying. You don't have to do anything else. Let's try another one. Now we have 3m minus 7, then times the quantity of negative 7m minus 7. Now we got a lot of 7's there, and we have a lot of negative signs. So when you have this minus 7, make sure when you distribute, you have to distribute the 7 and the negative sign. So if you want to make it plus a negative 7, that's perfectly fine with me. So you take this negative 7 and you want to distribute it by drawing your rainbows. Drop your 3m down. Then you have negative 7 times negative 7m, which is going to give me a positive 49m. Then we have negative 7 times negative 7, which again will give me just a positive 49. Now we're not quite done yet because we are simplifying, which means we also have to combine our like terms. So you see that both the 3m and the 49m are like terms because they both have the same variable. 3m plus 49m is going to give me 52m. Then drop down your plus 49. And that is my answer, completely simplified. Alright, I got one more example for you. This time we have to distribute twice, but you just do the same exact thing and then simplify completely. So the first one, we want to take our 3 and distribute it because we have 3 times the quantity of x plus 10. So we're going to get 3x, then 3 times 10 gives me plus 30. Now again, we have a minus 9 times the quantity of x minus 7. You can make this plus a negative 9, so you remember to distribute the 9 and the negative sign. So we need to draw our rainbows and distribute that negative 9. So we're going to have minus 9x. Then negative 9 times negative 7 is going to give me a positive 63. Then from there you want to combine your like terms. So we have a 3x and a negative 9x. 3x minus 9x gives me negative 6x. So you're done with those. You can cross those guys out. Then we have 30 and 63, and those are like terms. So we have positive 30 plus 63, which is going to give me a positive 93. Now we don't have any more like terms, so you can't combine anything else, and that is my final answer, negative 6x plus 93. So this section was on the distributive property. If you have any other questions, make sure you come and see me in the math office, or you can email me at keslerse@wallstreetjesuit.org. See you in class tomorrow.